Brake squeaking in drum brake systems is often caused by dry contact points where the brake shoe rests against the backing plate, not the friction surface itself. When you press the brake pedal, the shoes move slightly against the raised pads on the backing plate. If these metal-to-metal contact points are dry, they can vibrate and create a squeak. Applying a thin layer of high-temperature brake grease to those specific contact pads, only where the shoe frame touches the backing plate, allows smooth movement and reduces vibration. Be careful not to get grease on the brake lining or drum surface. Proper lubrication at these points helps eliminate brake squeal and ensures smoother operation.